Hello friends, welcome to Logranjan Astro World. Thank you all for coming on the channel. Wishing you happy. Further, let's take the numerology series forward. Today, we will get detailed information about Radix 3 in depth. People born on 3, 12, 21, 30 have a Radix 3. We will know through this video their compatibility, their nature, their education, jobs and business, marital life, love relationship, wealth status, their health, auspicious day, auspicious color, auspicious mark, auspicious gemstone, auspicious years. I have made this video with my best efforts. Watch the video till the end. Interesting, enlightening is obvious. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe. And if not good, you can dislike. Because with your support, the channel more forward and our enthusiasm increases. Let's know about Radix 3. Jupiter is the lord of the numeral 3, the largest planet in the solar system. Light yellow color, fifth from the sun, 100 times large of the earth. Radius 69,911 km. A mixture of gas and liquids. Such is the shape of Jupiter, the guru of the deities of the gods. Disciples who seek knowledge, rituals, loyalty, education, virtual, morality, religious instincts, maturity, prosperity, everything is with Jupiter. Jupiter has control over both family and business aspect of life. Big boss, prosperity, finance, good habits, children's side. The field of education is a factor of happiness in married life. Positiveness is seen more in the lives of Radix 3 natives. Religious tendency but with scientific outlook. Opportunities keep coming in the lives of such natives and they can easily take advantage of them. Natives with Radix 3 are creative. Those who are intelligent have funny behavior. Along with respecting their honor, they also take full care of respect of others. Their goals are always high. There is a strong desire to rule inside them. These people give their full support in social organization. They are commonly seen as a head in a common role in the administrative sector. In an important role in the administrative sector, this perfection is honest. Due to the sweet voice, they are expert in influencing people. Live a life luxury living in a circle. If there are extramarital affairs, they do not let them be exposed. The relation with their siblings are extremely cordial. They are willing to do anything for the sibling. But brother and sister are unable to do anything special for them. The same situation is with relatives. You do their best good and in the end of all are able to prove their selfishness. The financial condition of the house is not good in childhood. Therefore, from the very beginning of your life, you are busy to correcting the condition of the house. They succeed. You have more than one means of income. It is normal that you have seen more than one marriage. Do you have maturity in your personality? You are only man full of confidence to fix the trend. There is always a calm mind on your face. You use clear and simple language and it's called straightforward. You get good hold in both accounts and mathematics. Business quality are abundant and you are proficient in accounting. Sometimes you get angry like a dictator. You have got full protection in your life. That is, these people easily escape from troubles, accident, etc. This type of people, we call them lucky. Friends rarely give you benefit and a friend betrays you, harm you. All types of amenities are available in your home. You earn good wealth. You are fond of eating good baked, delicious food. You are very self-respecting. You do not like to bend in front of anyone. They complete every task with their ability and power. Radix 3, you are a guru and expert. No one can do it better than you. Taking it like self-studying. Talking about their career and profession, they must do business. Teaching, real estate, civil engineering, banking job, chartered accountant, agriculture equipment, salesmen, politics, judge, philosopher, researchers, etc. have been seen. If they talk about their health, then their immunity is very strong. Feb, September, December, health is more likely to deteriorate. Vascular disorder, respiratory disease, arthritis, lungs, stony kidney disease is possibilities. Reed bone pain, heart disease, there is a possibilities of pregnancy and latent disease in women. Your weight may increase more than normal, so you may be obese. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday is an auspicious day for you. Your auspicious number 13679. Yellow, pink, purple, blue is your auspicious color. Your favorable and auspicious gemstone is topaz. Your important year 21, 30, 39, 48, 57, 66. An important advice for you, if possible, make an investment in real estate. Friends, please comment on how you felt about our information. Thanks for staying on till the end of the video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to press the bell button so that you get notification of upcoming video from time to time. Thanks for your valuable time.